ladies and gentlemen. I am Kainat, and today I am standing before you to speak on a topic that goes far beyond sports. It is a topic that touches our pride, our reputation, and most importantly, future of our nation. Is India ready to organize Olympics 2036 and Commonwealth Games 2030? Start with a simple truth. Organizing such a big programs like Olympics or Commonwealth Games, it is not about building a stadium. It is about pride, reputation, security, and most importantly, spirit of our nation. Let's start with a question. Why India should organize such games? I will give you opportunity to contribute in this. Can you tell me why India should organize such games? Anyone?
Tell the points. Why do you think so?
So we can get more opportunity to get more tourism, more money into our country.
That's true. What Sir has said is definitely true. I will give you 4 reasons why India should organize this. First of all, I want to tell you, India is not the India of the past. It is the Bharat of the future. We are the fourth largest economy of the world. We have the world-class technology. And we have the world largest population of the youth in the world. If not now, then when? Second reason, we are already doing good. From Neeraj Chopra, javelin, to our sportsmen, to our wrestlers, to our chess people, we are not participating. We are winning in this. So we should organize this. And organizing or hosting such a big, grand, like sports, Commonwealth or Olympics will ignite the sports revolution in village, in small towns, and in small areas. Third, I think we should organize this because we have organized many other events successfully before. Do you remember 2010 Commonwealth Games? Yes, we had some controversy, but we pulled it off. Since then, we have organized many things like IFA U17 World Cup, like G20 Summit, and many other events. We have learned, we have grew. Next, my fourth reason is it is the opportunity to improve our infrastructure. It is the opportunity disguised in the sporting event. If we organize such a game, if we host Olympics or Commonwealth Games, it will improve our reputation. It will build our infrastructure. It will lead to a massive investment in the infrastructure, better roads, better transport, greener energy, or global tourism. It is opportunity. But let's not close our eyes. We do have some problem. Our first problem: are we really ready? Are we ready? Do we have the discipline? Do we have the transparency? Do we have what it takes to organize our sports with fairness, without corruption, without delays? Our 2010 Commonwealth Games had so much controversy. We can't let it happen again. The world is watching us. Second, do we prioritize sports enough? Are we doing something for the sports? I have seen many good sportsmen of India are struggling for basic needs. They are not getting it. And how can we imagine we can host such Olympics or Commonwealth Games when the rural kids don't have the playground? Third, is the money really worth it? It will cost approx $10 billion. Should these money be spent on stadium or on medals instead of education and the meal for the poor? Should we really do it? So what's the answer? I think yes, India can and should organize these kind of games, but only if we use it as an opportunity, not as a show off. We should use it to improve our infrastructure, leads to investment, and make our image better in the world. What are the final words? I would say don't ask, can we organize? Say, can we transform while organizing? It is not just an event. It will result in a milestone in the Bharat journey to become a true global power. Thank you.